character.
That's right.
Crazy.
This is a lot of tuber. Top is not so big, but
Yeah.
we may start tagging.
This is big.
Let me see that how. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this feel like late generation.
Mm-hmm. And I found the very early generation one combinations.
Yeah, this year
Happy cross.
Sumi and Dubek. Very good. Yeah, Dubek Sumi. Yeah, this one.
두백수미.
Yeah.
Oh, 두백수미.
Very good. All very good. This is early. This is early, and this is late. But they are very good.
We can have a sumi, advantage of sumi and advantage of dubek.
Yeah.
Something early but with solid content and chipping quality like dubek. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. I think from next week start after harvesting, start tagging.